Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Associates account for affiliate earnings. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on the Join Now for Free button to begin the registration process. Sign in to your existing Amazon account or create a new one if you don't have one. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the application form. Fill in all required fields with accurate personal information. Provide your website URL or mobile app details where you'll promote Amazon products. If you don't have a website, you can use social media accounts or YouTube channels. Select the preferred payment method for your affiliate earnings. Choose a few Amazon categories that you'll be promoting. Answer the questions regarding how you drive traffic and generate income. After completing the application, read through the operating agreement carefully. Submit your application and wait for review. Once approved, log in to your Amazon Associates account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Generate affiliate links for the products you want to promote. Use these links in your content to earn commissions. Regularly monitor your reports to track your clicks and sales. Adjust your strategies based on performance analytics. Follow Amazon's guidelines to maintain your account in good standing. Continue adding new content and promotions to grow your affiliate earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.